what is this work giving you is really a cunning question, because there is no justification for this work in this world. As we see, is like religion's promise to us that a person will receive the next world and so forth. Here it's the opposite. You're moving forward to detach from your ego, not to receive any benefit in it, and your benefit is actually in becoming disconnected from yourself, from everything you've got, from constantly thinking about how will I receive, how will I be fulfilled, how will I acquire. And so here there's a very unique work that one does of transcending oneself. And so the question of what is this work for you is truly a very shrewd, very special question, because there's really no answer. There's no answer. What's this work for you? What for? What do you gain? What do you get? The next world. What's the next world you want? The next world is that you will not want anything. That's the next world. I'll be better off. How? Show me something now. Show me something that you're missing now and you'll get there. There's nothing that you're lacking now and you'll get there. And so on. It's a fear to even, it's scary to even bring it up. So, these questions, what's this work for you, and so forth, it awakens in a person, and it really ruins him, and it doesn't let him advance. But from above, according to the order of the degrees, the system is arranged in a way that these questions awaken in a person to the extent that he's connected to the environment, that he has support from the group, the teacher, and the light that reforms that flows through them. And then, when a person is equipped with that, when he has that kind of support already, then to that extent, he encounters these troubles, these problems, states, and then by that he can begin to rise above, because rising to the higher degree happens specifically on top of these questions of what's this work for you, that I have no form of result of the work, that I'm not going to receive anything in my vessels, and specifically on top of that question of what's this work for you, I can build myself in a way that I am fit for the higher level, that I don't want anything in my present vessels, that I'm going to discover something that is not considered reception in my vessels, because I'm going to acquire qualities of bestowal, actions of bestowal, that right now I don't lack them, but that's what I'm going to have. And that's why this work is specifically for me, because I want to lose everything I have now, all the voids and fulfillments that I'm looking at now, and go on a totally different plane, on the opposite kind of direction.